Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got a Takigen or Takigen T, I think it's 999, something like that. This is, I believe it's 9-pin nipple lock. I've only gutted one side of it before, so I'm not sure if it's 5 and 4 or what. So we can get it picked and we'll gut the whole thing. We gotta click on one on the left. Click on 4 or 5. I'll click on whatever that was in front of it. I think it's 3, I believe. I think there's 4 on this side. Click on 2. That was 4 or 5, or 3 or 4, I should say. 2. I probably just overset something. There we go. Took a little longer than I wanted, but we got it. So grab that, come down here, stick it there, move this. All right. Which one comes off which way? Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's how we do it. All right. And we got Bible covers on this, so we can gut it pretty easy. Otherwise, I would not attempt it, just because I don't like not being able to get stuff back together. See, this is the right side. I can do this without knocking anything over. Yeah, we'll just grab it with that. All right, we got I think that's 5. Oop, there went a spring. Not lose springs if we can help it. They just want to jump everywhere. Okay, that's all right. So let's turn this around so we don't get them mixed up. Do 1, 2, 3. Oop. That was 4 apparently. Let's try 3 again. And 5. All standard drivers. I didn't notice it this time when picking. Maybe I just did it right, but I was getting a lot of having to go back and set stuff over and over the first time I picked it. So I'm not sure if that's tapering, me not tensioning heavy enough, or whatever, but it went a little smoother this time. But it is what it is. Yeah, we got 4 drivers on this side. This is the side I progressively, or not progressively pinned. I learned this side and then did the other side. Or I took this side out, learned the other side, then added this side. Whatever. Y'all know what I mean. Because despite this being all standard, this thing does have a little bit of fight in it. Honestly, more than I thought it would. It's one of those locks that makes you wonder, is this thing, why is this not, you know, considered to be harder than it is? But all right, so let's zoom in on that. There we go. We just got 9 standard pins, just opposing drivers, and I don't think they are. No, they're not. You could actually turn this without bricking it. Not 360, of course. You'd have to block the bottom of the keyway, but the stacks are opposed or not lined up perfectly. Whatever, you know what I mean. All right, guys, that's the Takigen T-999, and I'm gonna quit babbling.